Sampurna Yanda. I am from KV number 2, Kharagpur, and this is my practical exam. Here is my program code and here is the output. I have first imported pickle because we use pickle in binary file. Then I have created the file with f equal to open.student. with the write mode so that I can create the file. After that, I have inputted the number of students the user is required to input. After that, I have ran a loop where the user will input his or her admission number in form of A, then in N they have to input their name, and after that the percentage in P. After that, I have called the function and I have closed the file F. And there the second, this is the second function which is required to count the number of students and their details who have scored more than 75%. And here again I have opened the file in the read mode because the file is already created.
I am recording.
After that I have opened a loop while equals to true if that statement is true. After that I have calculated like t equal to pickle.load f2 so that I can get the details of the students, the marks, and after that t of 2 is more than 75. In 2 I have stored the percentage, therefore who will get more than 75%, here the count variable will count it, and after that when it is print t so that the number of students who have got more than 75% will be displayed on the screen. And I have used this error exception and then closed the file. After that, def display f3 is another file which I have opened in read mode again, and again I have called it to display the details. In T I have already loaded the details, so for I and T means we will get each and every detail of the student and print it in regular pattern. After that I have closed again the f3 file, and the last is the main method while true print menu. This is the user choice, like if you enter 1 then the binary file will be created, as you can see already in the output side over here. After that in 2 the file content will be displayed like this both. I have entered the number of students as 2, that is why only 2. After that on the third details of the students who has scored more than 75%, both the students have scored more than 75% therefore, and at 4 exit and the program is finally over.
Very good, excellent. Very nicely